In this video, I have a lot of very good and important news for Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies that you cannot miss. So make sure you stay tuned for this one. If you're new to the channel, my name is Myles, and every day I make daily content on Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos. I'm giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. All you have to do to qualify is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put something in the comments below. And if you guys would do me a favor, go ahead and please click the like button. It will help to support the channel and get this video out there to share others about Dogecoin and crypto. Let me know in the comments below. Elon Musk has really fallen back from Twitter. He's really fallen back from tweeting about Dogecoin. Let me know in the comments below, why do you think that is? And I will try to answer these comments within the first 24 hours. Okay, so we have a lot of very important news to cover. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna share you this. So I've already showed you guys that Elon Musk is supporting the new proposal for the Dogecoin reduction of fees. Now, the Dogecoin developers are working on Dogecoin to reduce the fees by 100 times, which is absolutely amazing, which will make Dogecoin the #1 competitor, give Dogecoin the #1 spot as far as the smallest fees for transactions and usage. So if Dogecoin can be the cheapest cryptocurrency for transactions and uses, this will make Dogecoin the best crypto to choose for transactions, to buy things, to receive things like tickets for NBA games and things like that, groceries or gas. If people are wanting to receive Dogecoin, especially now that it is stable and it continues to grow, each and every year Dogecoin grows, and it has really grown this year, and it's going to continue to do so because people are continuing to jump into Dogecoin to use it and to hodl it. So Dogecoin has a very strong and significant value. A lot of people are afraid to accept cryptocurrencies, not only because they're volatile, but primarily because of the transaction fees. If you wanted to send me a couple of $1,000s worth of Ethereum to me, maybe for some services that I provided for you or for something that I sold to you, you're going to end up paying a lot in fees for Ethereum, which are called gas fees. But these fees are significantly reduced, especially they're going to be significantly reduced after this proposal. So this is actually really, really big news for Dogecoin, and it's going to make Dogecoin a very strong competitor in the space of transactions and uses. So it's going to make a lot of companies, a lot of businesses, a lot of retail stores want to receive Dogecoin even more so. So Elon Musk, he even came to tweet about this the other day, and he said that he thinks that this is very important. So Elon Musk is backing this whole reduction proposal, which is very good and is going to most likely get passed. When this happens, I think it's going to have a very strong impact on the price of Dogecoin. We can even see it by one of the developers of Dogecoin, Patrick Lauder. He says this is going to reduce the fees 100 times for standard transactions on the Dogecoin chain. This is amazing. So we have some more news about Elon Musk, but let's go ahead and talk about this article first. So we have Cathie Wood's ARK Invest just applied to offer the first Bitcoin ETF. So a lot of companies have applied for a Bitcoin ETF. There is no approved ETF for Bitcoin in the United States under the SEC or under the New York Stock Exchange. So if this can get done by Cathie Woods, this will bring a lot of money into cryptocurrencies and Dogecoin, Bitcoin, that and so forth. So what's going to happen when billions and trillions of dollars are now going to be able to be available to put into Bitcoin, into some cryptocurrencies? That will bring the crypto market up a lot. Now, the reason why that will happen is because people that own ETFs, they start ETFs, they're going to have billions and billions of dollars to pour into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. Primarily, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. So what's going to happen is that there's a lot of people who have a lot of money in the stock market, and their current brokerage does not allow them exposure to cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now, an ETF is going to make that possible. It's going to make it a publicly traded stock or ETF, as we're talking about now, for people who want to gain exposure to cryptocurrencies but who do not want to open up a Coinbase account or a Kraken account. This is going to give people a lot of opportunities that they don't have now to get into cryptocurrencies, and this is going to be a trillion, billions of dollars to be poured into cryptocurrencies, which can double the crypto market cap, double Bitcoin, double cryptocurrencies in a very short period of time. This is really good news because this is going to potentially bring billions and then even trillions of dollars of untapped money that is not able to get into crypto now that will be able to here in the near future. We also have the Vice Fed chair speaking bullishly for crypto. He came out and said today that we should be saying yes to stable coins. Now, there's some people in the government who are opposed to stablecoins, some people that are in the government that are opposed to cryptos, but there's also strong people that are in the government that are for Bitcoin, that are for cryptocurrencies. And it's good to see that the Vice Fed chair came out and said that we should have stablecoins and that this should be there. So that is really good and bullish news to see. We're starting to see a lot of more bullish news. All the bearish news is pretty much gone. And even there was some bearish news today that we're going to also break down in just a minute. And this is that bearish news. The bearish news was we've seen Binance was banned, in the UK, this and that and so forth. But the whole crypto market is up. Look at this is the whole crypto market today. We have all of these cryptos. They are in the green. And that is very good to see. But the interesting thing, ladies and gentlemen, that this article points out is that if there's bearish news like, Binance being banned, this and that and so forth, but the market is still green and very strongly green, that is very good news because it shows you that people are not giving into FUD anymore. People are not giving in and selling when they see any type of bad news. So it shows you that the market is starting to stabilize, that the market is growing stronger, and that the market is potentially about to really take off. Wait till some really good news starts to come out. Some really strong news comes out. It will really skyrocket the crypto market and get us back into a bull run, because that's all we need. We just need a strong little push in the crypto market to bring in all the FOMO, to bring in more people. All the good news will start coming out and it will just cause a massive snowball to the upside for cryptos. That will be happening here very soon. And I think that's going to start happening in the next couple of days or in the beginning of July. And if you want to get my daily profitable trade alerts when I'm buying and selling cryptocurrencies, we have a 4,000 member Discord. I can build a portfolio for you and I can teach you how to do technical analysis. Join the Patreon, which is in my top pinned comment or my video's description below. And if you've got something out of the video so far, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. So here's this very, very important news that I have not yet covered, but is very relevant today. So we have Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey. They agreed to talk about Bitcoin at an event in July. So you guys may have seen this last couple of days. I think it was Friday, where Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk and Cathie Woods, who I showed you earlier, they were talking, and they all agreed to have a conversation at the B Word event, which is going to be taking place on July 21st. This is huge. It's going to be a place. It's going to be another like a Bitcoin event where there's people coming up from all around the world talking about Bitcoin and how it should be good for institutions, this and that and so forth. Most importantly, Elon Musk has agreed to talk at this event with Jack Dorsey, who is a strong proponent to Bitcoin. He's the CEO of Twitter and Square. Then we also have Cathie Wood. She's a huge investor into Tesla, but she's also a major investor into Bitcoin, among other cryptocurrencies. So this is really big. So Elon Musk is going to be talking to Jack Dorsey. He's going to be talking to Cathie Woods. They're going to be talking about Bitcoin, and they know a lot more about cryptocurrencies than Elon Musk. So I'm thinking some positive things are going to start taking place here very soon, and especially at this event. I think Elon Musk is going to come and say something bullish, something good about cryptocurrencies. And they're also going to be talking about Bitcoin mining. So we know that the miners have now, ever since Elon Musk has tweeted, hey, Tesla's not going to be accepting Bitcoin until the miners get to more EGA standards. They're more energy and environmental efficient, this and that and so forth. So I think they're going to prove and show data that Bitcoin miners have actually come to these levels that Elon Musk has been looking for. And then Elon Musk could potentially be like, okay, so this is statistical data. This is analytical data that is proving to me that these crypto miners, especially in the US and maybe potentially all around the world, are more energy and environmental efficient. And maybe if they can prove that to him, they're like, look, these miners have actually been doing this for a long period of time, and you honestly don't even know what you're talking about. Maybe he does, maybe he doesn't. Let me know what you guys think about this. But to my own knowledge and my own opinion, from what I've been hearing, is that Bitcoin miners and crypto miners have been more energy efficient, especially as of the last couple of years. And even way before Elon Musk's tweet about, hey, we're not going to be accepting Bitcoin because it's not energy efficient, crypto miners have already been working on this for a period of time. And I think that they're going to be at the levels that Elon Musk is going to desire or need towards that time period. So maybe they're going to be trying to crack down and get these numbers ready for that time period so that they can show and present Elon Musk like, look, these people are at the levels that you want and need for Tesla to be accepting Bitcoin again. Let's go ahead and have Tesla start accepting Bitcoin again. So this could potentially happen around that time period. Maybe Tesla around that time period or after it will announce that they're going to start accepting Bitcoin again. When Tesla does announce that they will start accepting Bitcoin again, that will bring the entire crypto market up a lot. When Elon Musk did tweet about that a couple of weeks ago, it brought the entire crypto market up a lot. We've seen cryptos pumping like crazy. So how much more when Tesla comes out to accept that they're going to be accepting Bitcoin again, how much more will that bring up the crypto market? And I think that that could be the kickstart to the bull run if we have not yet seen that kickstart at that time. So this is going to potentially be a huge event for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Maybe around that time, he's also going to announce that Tesla will accept Dogecoin. I'm hoping that this will be happening soon because Elon Musk tweeted about it as like, should Tesla be accepting Dogecoin? And they said that they were looking to receive, that Tesla would receive another cryptocurrency that will be more energy efficient and so forth. So this is going to be very soon that Tesla is going to start announcing something about they're going to be receiving another cryptocurrency, whether it's Dogecoin or Cardano Ethereum. I'm thinking that this is going to be also happening here very soon. Most importantly, let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. Let's just look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is looking super bullish, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this, a perfect cup and handle. So if this plays out, we could see some potential, a big rise up to nearly $40,000. This is looking very good. The bearish scenario would be, this could be a double top and then we would get rejected and come down at this point, but this is looking very bullish in my opinion. And if we also like zoom out, we can see an inverse head and shoulders playing out here perfectly. Look at this, an inverse head and shoulders playing out. It's going to most likely play out perfectly, especially since his right shoulder is higher. We are seeing a bullish flag at this level, so Bitcoin is looking very good. We have like an 80% chance that Bitcoin is going to break out from this pattern. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. And if you want to trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, use my iTrust Capital, which is also linked in my top pinned comment and in my video's description. And if you want a really good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin and buy AMC stock, use my WEBULL link, which is also in my video's description. If you deposit $100, they will give you 4 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell or buy cryptocurrencies or stocks with. Getting into the Ethereum chart, still looking very bullish from this morning. Look at this, Dogecoin up. Ethereum had a very strong pump this morning and is still forming a bullish flag, which we are most likely looking to be breaking out at this level, while we're just having a very strong and consistent uptrend at this level. And Dogecoin is forming a bullish pennant as well. So we've seen a massive rise up and then a consolidation period that's actually beginning to start rising up. So we're most likely going to form also a cup and handle if we do come up to test this level right here, which will be 28 cents. We've had 2 rejections. Every time we come up to 28 to 29 cents, we're getting whales dumping at this price. Maybe bad news as well. And that's what's causing a difficulty in this area. But I'm thinking the way it is looking like as we are moving up slowly but strongly, we're most likely going to smash this level of resistance the next time we come to approach it and break it. So the probability of that happening is very high, especially since it'll be the 3rd time coming to test it. Generally, when you knock on a door of a level of resistance for a multiplicity of times, an example, a 3rd time, most likely there's a very high probability that we will break that level of resistance and head up. So that's going to be it for the video. If you did like the video, got something out of it, go ahead and hit the like button, blow up the comment section, share this video with some of your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss my next videos. Have a great night. Thank you.